What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Got some good lighting today. I'm currently sitting at 24.9K for BTC, putting in that wave 2 pullback, seeing market cap of 41 billion. There was a car accident right outside. I can see it from my balcony. A car hit a motorcycle. The girl looked injured, but it turns out she's okay. Thank the Lord. So just thought I'd let you know. 24-hour volume, 39.97 billion. Gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, sign up and grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, dropping all kinds of analysis. Completely for free if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Let's hop into BTC. So we're chilling right up here at about 24.7K. I think the higher likelihood is that this is a wave B and you're still going to come down in the wave C. However, we did bounce off the 4-hour EMA. So if we do break out, we have a small ascending triangle that could take you up to about 26.3. If we do break out of that ascending triangle, of course you can have an overshooting wave B, but I think it's a higher likelihood of the bullish scenario. But right now, I think it's a little bit more probable that we pull back a little bit more, at least to about 22.8K. We'll have to see how it plays out. We just took a trade in the Discord. I dropped a signal. It's only $10 a month. Same price as a Netflix subscription. Just wanted to plug that in. So we've been watching this inverse head and shoulders. Currently, we're seeing a little bit of, we call this bullish consolidation right at the neckline. And I told you guys in the previous video, and ladies, to watch these EMAs, the daily EMAs, as they creep up. We may fall back to them as support, but as long as we hold them, especially if we break this neckline, if we were to break it right here, we hold it, boom, we can absolutely shoot up to 39K, or we pull back. As long as we hold those EMAs, then we can see continuation to the upside. Often what will happen with a large pattern is you'll push up into resistance, you'll fall back into the EMAs, and then you'll see that breakout. Of course, that's the bullish scenario. Anything can happen. So take my analysis with a grain of salt. So we'll jump into our next chart here. We've been watching this falling wedge from the previous all-time high, and we broke out and we back tested it. And as I mentioned, you can see we're back above the EMA. So as long as we can hold them, then we can see continuation. And you can see your next resistance levels here. We'll drop in some juicy yellow boxes just so it's more visible. So up here at about 27 to about 28K. And then you're looking at some resistance right here at about 32K. And then we'll drop in one more of our little friends here. Rectangle, not a box. It's a rectangle. Come on, Jax. What is this, elementary school? And then up here you can see we have quite a bit of resistance in between about 36 to about 37K, and that lines up with the target of this inverse head and shoulders. Wow, the target's all the way up at 39K actually. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Either way, I am bullish. Even if we pull back, I'm bullish. I think we'll bounce off the EMAs. Of course, anything can happen, but it's looking good right now. I'm not too worried about us dropping and creating a lower low. I think there's a good chance that we do break above 25K and see continuation, even if we pull back first in the short term. As we can see, the short trades are increasing here at 14% right now. So if we break down, then we can head down in between 22.8 and 20. I don't know if we'll make it all the way down to 21K. I think it's more likely we just come down to about 22.8 if we do break down. Now the Dow Jones, it's heading towards our target here from this descending triangle double top. Now we are starting to, it depends on this 4-hour close, but we are starting to create a little bit of a bullish divergence on the 4-hour. So keep that in mind. We may see a bounce soon for the Dow Jones, which will of course be positive for the markets. All right, gang. So that's it for this little update. Hope you find it helpful. Make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges. Grab those bonuses. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. Early access to my analysis. Just dropped a trade signal a few hours ago. Crypto news, member profits, HODL, all plays. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription, same price as a A&W burger with some onion rings and A&W root beer. I know it's delicious, but it's clogging your arteries. So check it out. Patreon link down below. The members like to post their profits in here as well. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, much love. Take care.